Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Leo, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Leo and what's going on? Under the deck, 9 of Cups, Ace of Swords, Page of Pentacles and 6 of Swords. There is communication is coming, Leo, from someone. And in near future, you will came to know about some truth. And your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment, 9 of Cups energy. And you will receive text and communication with clarity. Maybe for some, you decided to cut off someone from your life. And you decided to focus on yourself, Leo. Maybe you decided to move on. Maybe you decided to let go of someone from your life. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hangman, 3 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. Lots of you are in separation. For some, no contact situation. So you are in so much pain in recent past. You're feeling stuck literally. And you are thinking about your person a lot. About someone or something a lot. And 9 of Pentacles. But you want to be in this energy. But it was not happened in past. You're literally feeling stuck and you're heartbroken. And you want to let go of this person, but you are in so much pain. Then present 9 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles and King of Swords. Now you are very guarded. Now you are taking your control back. Now you want to protect your emotions. Now you want to protect your heart. Now King of Swords energy you are in right now. You want to give clarity. You are very honest and straightforward in nature. Yes, right now you are taking your control back. But you are juggling. 2 of Pentacles. Maybe you are juggling between head over heart situation. Maybe you are juggling between your family and your relationship or your family or your career, whatever. There are some juggling. Maybe you have to make some decision but you can't. You are indecisive right now. Then future, Page of Swords, 5 of Wands and 6 of Cups. There someone is spying on you on social media. Maybe you are spying on them on social media. Especially in relationship, there is a lot of drama is going. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention. And 6 of Cups. Even though you are taking your control back, you're still thinking about them a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection with each other. That's why you keep thinking on them. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But lot of fire energy. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Empress, 8 of Cups, and 5 of Wands. Yeah, lot of drama is going. Maybe they walked away from this connection. That's why you are heartbroken in past. And the Empress. So maybe the woman in this connection could be pregnant or a mother. Kids also involved in this connection. Yeah, there is lot of drama is going. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Leo. Cards are flying. Strength. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be another Leo. It's your card and it's your reading. Justice and Queen of Pentacles. And for Five of Swords and Three of Cups. I think a lot of you are involved in third party situation. Definitely they hurt you in past. Now they're realizing what they did to you. Maybe they have no strength to come forward. Right now they are working on their self. And justice. Maybe they are thinking about second chances with you. Maybe you want justice in this connection and they want to give you justice. They are thinking about justice you. And Queen of Pentacles. They are thinking about you that you're very independent and financially very stable. Right now your person thinking about past. For some third party involved in this connection, family could be the issue. See, Three of Swords. They are also heartbroken. Now they're realizing your worth. Leo. It's a lot of drama. So let's see their intentions. Eight of Wands. Maybe they want to communicate with you. Yes. Six of Swords. Communication to fix the things. Four of Wands. So for some you both could be twin flame journey or soulmate journey. And Knight of Pentacles with Queen of Wands with Two of Cups. Yeah. They are realizing your love, your worth. Knight of Pentacles. So they are coming back. This time they are very serious about you. Queen of Wands. Yes, they will make action very soon. Definitely you will get communication from your person and they want to fix the things between both of you. And Four of Wands. They want reconciliation. But at the same time, some of you they scared for rejection also because they hurt you in past. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want second chances with you, but it's up to you to accept or reject. Seven of Swords. See, trust issues. Definitely they scared for rejection because in past they played with you. Nine of Swords. So now they're feeling depressed. Now they're thinking about you a lot. They're losing their nights over you because Nine of Swords energy. They're scared for rejection, guys, because now they're realizing your worth. For some it's too late because you moved on for some. And Ace of Pentacles. So now they're ready to offer commitment. Yeah, now they're realizing their mistake. You are taking your control back. You are restoring the balance within yourself. You are patiently waiting and there is a new person is also coming into your life to offer their cup of love to you. Right now you are not talking to anyone. You are going through some transformation, Leo. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. See, mutual. Two of Swords. Two of Wands. I think you're both thinking about each other and you both are at some crossroads. I think you both are not sure. I think especially you, Leo, because you are not, there are some trust issues. You are not trusting this person. But there is communication is coming. They want to fix the things with you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But it's totally up to you. But for some, this person is really sneaky for you because Seven of Swords energy is here. So be careful. I want to be honest with you. Yes, in past they are not being honest with you. Mask. Yes. And decision time. For you, it's a decision time. But you are juggling. And options. Past life connection. And this person is sneaky. See. So the messages are this person is sneaky, options, mask, decision time, past life connection, and I want to be honest with you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you're not getting answers for your questions, so surrender problems to the divine. Full moon and be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. So if you are waiting for any sign from the universe, so if you are thinking about to make a first move, this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.